The Congress party has reportedly suspended two of its MLAs, Gabriel of Nongstoin and Charles Marngar of Mawhati, over allegations of anti-party activities amid rumors of their plans to defect to the National People's Party or the NPP. This decision was made following a meeting of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, where it was discussed that Wahlang and Marngar did not attend, although another MLA, Celestine Lyngdoh of Umsning, was present and provided information on the matter. The Congress is said to have accused the ruling NPP of utilizing illicit funds allegedly derived from truck levies, coal mining and contract work to weaken other political parties in the state. After the MPCC meeting, it was decided that Gabriel Wahlang and Charles Marngar would be suspended with immediate effect for a period of 6 years or until further notice. In letters sent to both MLAs, the MPCC General Secretary Wansuk's Aim reportedly conveyed that their suspension was due to their involvement in activities that conflicted with the party's ideologies and principles, citing reports from the Bloc Committee and other party organizations indicating their association with the MDA government.